Hello, this is Dharmishta. Today we will discuss about lesson number 1, the computer system. Nowadays, everyone knows about computers. Computers are available in different size and type. In this chapter, we will discuss the classification of computers on the basis of their size. We will also discuss some input and output devices. Now first, classification of computer by size. On the basis of size, we can classify computer into 5 groups: mobile computer, microcomputers, mini computers, mainframes and supercomputers. Mobile computers. Mobile computers are smallest computers designed to be carried out around by the user. Laptops, ultrabooks, netbooks, tablets, e-book readers, smartphones, personal data assistants, and portable media players are all mobile computers. Laptops. Laptops are portable version of desktop PCs, whereas netbooks are smaller than laptops and usually do not have DVD drives. Both laptop and netbook are capable of running the same software. However, netbooks primarily focus on internet but access. An ultrabook is another category of laptops that is slimmer and lighter but built to offer the same performance as a laptop. Now, here given the figure about mobile computers, laptop, tablet, smartphone, PMP, e-book reader. So, tablets. Tablets are easy to identify. They come without keyboard and mouse and are operated via touchscreen. E-book reader are used to store and read books, newspapers, magazines. Kindle is an example of an e-book reader. Smartphone. Smartphones are phone with wireless and internet connectivity. A PDA, personal digital assistant, is also known as palm top computer. This handheld device can function as a cell phone, fax sender, personal organizer, and have the ability to connect to the internet. A PMP is an electronic device that stores and plays audio, image, videos, etc. Microcomputers. Microcomputers is a smaller computer that is used by one person at a time. The desktop computers that you see in most offices, schools, college and home are microcomputers. Desktop computers are also called personal computers or PCs. Now next one is mini computers. Mini computers are larger than microcomputers, typically being the same size as a refrigerator. Mini computers first appeared in 1960s. In the 1980s, they got replaced by microcomputers, which have become smaller and more powerful with the time. CDC 160A, Micro VAX 3100, HP 2100 are example of mini computers. Mainframe computers. Mainframe are big, powerful and expensive multi-user computers. They are mainly used for bulk data processing in large organizations like government offices, airlines and banks. IBM 4381, DEC 10 and NEC 610 are example of mainframes. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are the biggest and most powerful computers. They often occupy whole rooms. They can process trillions of instructions per second. Government organizations and large industries use them for work that require a lot of numerical calculations such as weather forecast.